If you want to recover all your deleted files from your Windows 11, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Recuva software to recover your deleted files. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to download Recuva, simply open your browser and search for Recuva. And open the link from ccleaner.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll put the download link in the description box. Let me tell you that Recuva is a free data recovery software for your Windows 11 computer. It allows you to recover deleted files from your Windows storage device, pen drive, external drive, and external memory card. Now to download, simply click on free download version. And here simply click on free download. Here click on download button to download Recuva data recovery software. And it will download and set up file. Once the download process complete, simply open the setup file. Here you will find installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Here click on customize option to customize installation. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, start menu shortcut, then you can check this box. Then click on install button to install Recuva data recovery software. Here you can see it is installing Recuva, so it will take some time to install. Once the installation process complete, here you will find this kind of window. Now to scan for deleted files, simply click on run Recuva. If you don't get this kind of window, you can simply open Recuva software. Here click on next. Here select the file type you want to recover. Say for example, I want to recover video file. I will simply select video option. Then click on next. And here select the location from where you want to recover deleted files. If you know the location, you can simply click on in a specific location, and from the browse option you can browse the location. If you don't know the location, you can simply click on I'm not sure, then click on next. And here click on start button to start scanning the deleted files. If you want to deep scan, you can simply click on enable deep scan option, then click on scan button. And here it will scan your drive for the deleted files. Once the scan process has been completed, it will detect all the deleted files on your system. Here you will find three indicators. One is green, red, and yellow. Green means this file can be recovered fully. Red means this file is completely corrupted. And orange means this file can be partially recovered. To recover, simply select the file you want to recover. Make sure it is labeled as green. Then click on recover option. And select the location where you want to save the file. Just make sure it should be a different location from previous location. So it is saved on C drive, so I cannot recover it on C drive. I have to select different drive. Then click on OK, and it will completely recover your file. Now to view the file, simply visit the location where you have saved the recovered file. So that's it. This is how you can install Recuva data recovery software on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.